How to fix if suddenly there is no notification sound for new messages in Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Messenger. Now tap on the three lines. Now tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and click on notifications and sound. Now enable this toggle. Now scroll down. Now tap on customize notifications. Now click on ringtone. Now tap on auto. You can also choose your ringtones. Now go back. Open up settings and open up settings. Tap on notifications and now click on sounds and vibration. Now increase the notifications volume. I hope this should fix issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.